Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: an airline company makes a profit of $3,344 on every business class ticket, while loses $176 on every economy class ticket. If the company sold 65,151 tickets of economy class, how many business class tickets should it sell to break even? Firstly, we need to multiply the number of tickets of economy class sold by company. So there are into the dollars loses on every economy class ticket. So it is 65,151 into 176. So it will give 11,466,576. Now divide this 11,466,576 by profit on every business class ticket. So it is $3,344. So 11,466,576 divided by 3,344 gives 3,429. Hence, 3,429 business class tickets sell to break even.